Hello and welcome. This is a quick meal prep video, but get ready for a flavorful perfection. We promise to show you how to bring out the natural flavors of this amazing fish. Cooking sockeye salmon without the skin reduces the fat content, if that's your dietary goal, of course, and allows for quicker and more even cooking, which saves you time for other stuff. The simple prep style in this video brings out the fish's quality. There is no need for complex sauces. For those wanting to go a little extra mile for their heart, sockeye salmon happens to be a great source of omega-3 fatty acid. Talk about 2-in-1. Healthy food and healthy art, all in one plate. Did you know that Alaskan sockeye are known for their high oil content? The good oil, of course, which make them extra flavorful when you cook with this particular salmon. Now, adding salt brings out the natural sweetness of sockeye salmon. Adding pepper gives it some kind of warmth. And together, these two alone balances out the richness of the fish. Remember to turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of these amazing delicacies, which we dish out every week. We appreciate your subscription, your likes, and your comments. Please keep them coming and share our videos with all your friends. I'll see you in the next video.